Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper. And you guys, look what I got from Amazon. What is it you said? Well, it's a 10-inch selfie ring light. You guys, I've seen these all over the place and I wanted one so much. So Yesker is the brand and it is on Amazon. I'll put the link down below for you. And let's go ahead and see what all is in this box. So first things first, of course, is the ring light. And look at this. Not happy, feel free to contact us. They even give a support and a QR code for a surprise. I wonder what that is. Let's see what else. You guys, there's a tripod in here. Look at that. What? There's directions. And there is a phone case holder. And it looks like there's also a remote. We've got a warranty card. So it looks like Yesker is the brand there. And then there is a free gift, little gift card to get a free gift. And then there is a bag here, and I'm assuming that's to hold your ring light and stuff in. So let's go ahead and look at it now. We've got our tripod. Oh my goodness. How does this work? Is that it? No, that can't be it. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. So when you pull those, it goes up. So there we go. We've got that nice little tripod there. So very cool. It also looks like this comes out so you can have a unipod, perhaps. I'm not sure. But that's pretty cool. And look how high that goes. Oh, it's telescoping. So there you go. It shows us how to do everything. This looks like it has a little knob. So oh, there we go. That's the remote to start your camera. Oh my gosh, you're gonna hear clicking all the time now. And then this one is what holds your phone. I have a huge phone, so we'll see what happens there. Let me get some scissors. Or I can just crunch paper for those ASMR people. Oh, look. There we go. I was the first one to break it. Stuck my scissors in there. Thought I was being funny. Yeah, that's pretty wide, but I have a big phone, so we'll see how that works. But look at that. It goes on different ways. That's cool. I've never seen that. And tripod stand and directions on how to put everything together. Oh, it's got 3 different light modes: white, soft light, and warm. And it looks like it's dimmable. You guys, this is really cool. All right. Let's see. What is that bag? So we've got the ring light, the tripod stand, the pole mount phone holder, a balance sandbag. So this is a sandbag. I thought the ring light went in it, but I guess that is a sandbag. So you can put sand in it and then hold your stuff down, your tripod down. Then we've got the user manual, the warranty card, and the gift card. How cool is that? Now this is probably what you've been waiting for. Oh, there's another phone holder. Is that another phone holder? Yes, but this one doesn't open as wide. Huh. Oh my goodness. But this one has a holder for your phone that goes on there. How cool is that? That is totally cool. So you stick this on like that, and then you push this on, and then there you go. You got your phone holder. we've also got our power source, which you plug in USB style. You got your power on, off, and then you've got your dimmable here, and then you've got your 3 different ways to turn it on. I'm super excited. And then here, oh, and it's flat. It is a flat light. You guys, I know, this is totally all techie nerd stuff. I'm not really techie. I got the nerd part down, but not necessarily the techie part. Oh, this is so cool. I love that it's flat. So, all right, you guys, and this is on a ball too, which means it can go all which ways around, and you can have your phone sitting right through here. Very cool. I am super excited. And then now I just figured out, if your phone's for that, then this one is for your tripod, if you just want to use your tripod, right? And then this will sit on your tripod as well. Oh, you guys, I am excited. All right, thank you guys so much. Listen, are they gonna make my day? I have one more thing. I might have to look at, they made my day. There's already a battery in it. I just have to hook this little guy up. Look at that. All right, very cool. All right, well, next time you'll just see me pushing a button, I guess. All right, I'll talk to you later. I'll put all the information down below if you'd like it. It is not very expensive at all, depending on what your language of inexpensive is. But you guys know mine. I'm Dollar Tree people. All right, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.